You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name, the almost full name. If you want the full name, I've got another video that you can watch, but let's explain this part already of this famous Italian painter Michelangelo. You probably knew that. Yes, it's spelled with CH, but it's like a K. Michelangelo Buonarroti. That's your Italian pronunciation here. Let's explain. Buonarroti, because you have a double R, you need to stress on that R, make it twice as long. Michelangelo Buonarroti, Michelangelo Buonarroti. In English, therefore, Michelangelo Buonarroti, English pronunciation. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.